2657, Uniform, Romeo, hold short of 13, stay with me.
Uniform, Romeo, hold short of 13.
Good evening, Tower Endeavor, 4990, Benji for ILS 4.
For the 90 Liberty Tower, base reported at 250 feet, 10709, runway 4, clear to land, traffic departs 13.
Clear to land, runway 4, Endeavor, 4990.
LaGuardia, good evening, Frontier Flight 3288 with you, ILS 4.
For the 3288, LaGuardia Tower, number 4, you're following an RJ about 5 miles in trail. Base is reported at 250 feet, 10709, runway 4, clear to land, traffic will depart 13.
Clear to land, runway 4, Frontier Flight 3288.
Now 2657, you're going to turn left onto runway 13, then taxi down 13, go to ground point 7.
Okay, let's turn on runway 13 and we'll go ground point 7 to 9.6.
Richard 4736, monitor tower, good night.
Tower, be careful, 736.
Sub 975, monitor tower, good night.
Over tower, Delta 975.
United 2657, you could actually make this quick right turn at Sierra, and then left Papa Bravo, Kilo Alpha Lane 7.
So make a left turn here, Papa Bravo, Kilo Alpha, that's United.
Perkins 4736, if you're ready, you can line up on weight 13, traffic lands runway 4.
Runway 13, last wait for here, 4736.
Take it past there, United 2657. Why don't you take it down to Lima, and then right turn Alpha Lane 7.
Lima and
472, right turn on Papa, join Bravo, ground point 7, good night.
Papa, ground point 7, thanks, Blue 472. 926, after Lima, turn right on the Bravo Alpha,
Yeah, 2657, it's going to be a right turn Alpha Lane 7.
Right turn Alpha Lane 7. Good evening again, Spirit Wings 1940 with you, ILS runway 04.
Clear takeoff runway 13, Brickyard 4736.
Good evening, Spirit Wings 1940 with you, ILS 4.
Spirit 1940 Tower number 3, following Frontier about 4.5 ahead. Winds 0609er.
Okay, number 3, standing by landing clearance, and we got moderate rain during the previous approach. How's the visibility now?
Brickyard 4736, stop.
2657, expedite off, please.
Correct, 2657.
Brickyard 4736, stop, bridge exit, takeoff 13.
Brickyard 4736, sorry about that. I thought United had cleared well before that. Just stay there for a moment, and I got to get the other United out of the way. We'll get you off the runway.
Hold, Brickyard 4736. Tower, Brickyard 4736, are we going to be exiting here? We're going to go to back to the gate.
4736, affirmative. I'll get you there in a second. Just got a lot of traffic off of your right-hand side there. That's got to move.
All right, copy. We're holding on runway 13, Brickyard 4736.
Brickyard 4736, you can continue, turn right at taxiway Lima, and then right turn on Alpha behind the Delta RJ9 that's ahead and to your right.
All right, Lima Alpha, and then behind the Delta RJ9 to our right, Brickyard 4736.